How to hide WhatsApp last seen from specific contacts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can hide your WhatsApp last seen from specific contacts. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. So the first step that you will need to take is make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date to the latest version. If it is, you can then locate your WhatsApp app and then open it up. After you've opened up your WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right. You need to be on the chat section for this at the bottom left. Then tap on the settings option. After you're on your settings, you'll need to head over to privacy. Search for privacy and tap on it. On your privacy, you'll find last seen and online option. So all you have to do is tap on that and select my contacts accept. So select my contacts accept. And after you do that, select all the contacts that you don't want it to be seen. So after you've selected certain contacts, you can then tap on the tick option at the bottom right. After you've tapped on it, all the contacts except the ones that you've selected will be able to see your WhatsApp last seen, and yeah, that is basically it. Now tap on the tick icon at the bottom right, and after you do that, it'll start saving. And that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.